Alright, is it okay to share your age or no?
65.
So you're 65?
Yes.
And you have been doing it since what age?
From when I was 18.
And when me come and want me liquor, me get here, me have money and me no have no money. Me have get this
Yes.
Then just come until they're up my WhatsApp with you. Cecil Charlton dead and gone. And your WhatsApp with you after miss there.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and I want to thank you for always coming back to watching my videos. Remember to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Guys, today I am in a bar and I am here having a drink. This is lovely. But my main reason for being here is that I am going to interview bartender Dorothy Palmer, and she has been bartending for 47 years. Can you believe that, guys? There are so many accomplishments that she has gotten out of bartending, and I'm going to do this wonderful video, and I do hope that you enjoy the video. Share this video with others, and guys, watch the entire video. Thank you for tuning in, and let us get right into it. Cheers. Yeah, man. Because me love chat Jamaican, me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. So we're with Miss Dorothy Palmer, and she's going to share her experience with us. Alright, so what year, do you remember the specific year when you went into bartending?
Yes, I started here 1986. But I was doing it before elsewhere.
Okay, and you have been at this location since 1986.
Oh yes.
What has your experience been here in the 80s working in the bar?
Well, a lot of experience, kind of things, good, bad, everything you can think of.
Share some of the good.
Well, you meet nice people, very kind, humble. Everything you can think of.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, and what are some of the bad that would be there in the 80s?
Bad. Well, we should talk about the bad. You know, forget about the bad.
Oh.
You know, forget about the bad.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, so in the 90s, what was the difference? What can you say about bartending in the 90s compared to now?
In the 90s, I used to be here from maybe 10 in the morning until 2, 3.
2, 3 o'clock in the night?
Yes.
In the morning?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
Yeah, man. But these days now, I'm not here until...
What time you leave at these days now?
These days we leave here, it's about 9, 10. Because of the COVID and everything.
Yes.
Everything
But in those times, why were bartenders allowed to leave that late? Like up until 2, 3?
We always pay domino and the people in here drinking. Much different from now.
Oh, so they would stay out that late?
Oh, yes.
And then go home.
But then again, that time I was much younger, so we could keep up with them.
Oh, so you will be able to serve them their drinks and everything.
Yes.
What were some of the games that kept them up?
Well, them always play the machine, them always play domino. And you know, them sit down and drink and talk and laugh, you know?
Yes.
Enjoy themselves.
Okay, and that was in the 90s?
Yes.
Okay, so in the 2000 now, how...
Things fall out a bit.
When did the changes come about?
Well,
When the criminals take over.
Yeah.
When the criminals take over?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can see what you're not.
Yes, and then after that now the COVID. The COVID, you know?
In the 90s, she was saying water when you were peaceful. If you come to Mandeville, I don't come to
Can I put it on you?
Tell him, David.
If you come to Mandeville and you don't come to water, Marcia, you don't come Mandeville.
Oh.
This is the biggest place, most joyful place to be.
Oh, so right here was very popular.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so a lot of people would be here.
The theater was
The
back.
theater was
There are no buried people there.
Where? The theater?
Yeah,
Oh, where the funeral home
That's
is?
where one of the
Oh,
the theater.
so because the theater was there now, oh, right here was a very popular bar.
Oh, yes.
What was the name of the bar at that time?
It's the Falcon. It's still the Falcon.
The same, the Falcon.
Yes.
Oh, so in the 2000, that's where the changes come about.
Oh, yes.
Criminals now start to take over.
Yes, and the theater lockdown. So,
Mm-hmm.
you know, not much going
It's
on.
changed.
So a lot of things has changed.
Oh, yes.
All right, now to 2022. Share your experience now, like throughout this year.
Well, to begin, things slow down now a bit, you know. Maybe because of the COVID, as we say. You know, everybody gone home early. It's not like first time.
So the customers that you have in those times, plenty of them, most of them are still alive now.
Oh, yes.
They still visit.
Winter in bed. Some of them sick on the
The
home,
second people.
you know.
So how you still reach out to them, or
Oh,
they
yes,
reach out
yes,
to
we
you?
Keep in touch with them, yes, of course. After that.
Okay.
Well, overall it has been good for me. I've learned a lot of things. A whole heap of experience. Can't mention everything, but it's a whole lot of experience.
All right. Is it okay to share your age or no?
65,
So you're 65.
Yes, yes.
And you have been doing it since what age?
from when I was 18.
Ah! Oh my God. So Aunt Dorothy has been doing bartending since she was 18 years old, and now she's 65.
Yeah.
Are you still look good?
Yes, it has been 47 years.
No, it's not the age, you know. It's the time working in bar. Past a long time.
That's a long time.
47 years working in the bar. All right. Was it profitable for you?
Oh, yes, yes. I would
What
say.
are some of the achievements?
Well, we buy my land and we build my house.
So you bought land, build your house. What else? Could
And we raise up 2 children.
and you send the children to school,
Yes,
and now they're on their
Oh,
own.
yes, adults, everybody big, you know.
So it was very good
Oh, yes, yes,
for you.
yes.
45. How much? Me just say 40. How much year? 47 years within bartending. So it is good then if you have your own business and working
Yes.
into your own business.
Yes.
It will be more beneficial
Right, right,
than working for somebody.
right.
Share that experience working for yourself.
Well, you feel more comfortable. You will feel more comfortable. You know, working on your own. You don't have nobody to pressure you. Nobody to watch you and say, well, that is that. You know. Yeah, better. Yeah, man.
So once you're comfortable, you're able to perform and set
Of
your
course.
dreams
Right, yeah.
and your goals. And that is exactly what you did here
Yes, yes.
within the bar and working.
Yes.
What are some of the services you offer in here?
Well, at the time you only offer drinks and boiled egg.
So when you started in the 80s, what did you offer?
More or less the same thing.
The same drink, and you did the egg as well?
Yes, yes.
Oh, so you have been doing the egg for over those many years?
Not really for those. In the later part of the years, we start the egg, you know?
So how has that been? What you do? You boil the egg
Yeah,
and you serve it, or they come and order
yeah.
and serve it with the liquor and stuff like that?
Yes, right.
But in terms of sales on liquor, you get a lot of customers.
Well, yes, you have to give thanks for that. You know, when you're nice to the people, they always come back.
Yeah, so once you're nice with them
They
and
always come back.
they always treat you well. All right.
Everybody come in, a lot of friends, everybody bring what they have, you know.
All right. Any encouragement for anyone out there would want to, they are young and would want to invest into a bar? What is your encouragement to them? What can you say to
The
them?
main thing is to be honest and kind to the customer.
So once you're
That is more is important.
being honest and kind.
Yes, I think so.
Okay. And you have used that honesty right throughout.
Right through.
And this is where you still are.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I love Miss Diamond. Yeah.
So how long have you known her for?
Most from the time she there.
In the 80s?
Yeah, man.
Share your experience then. You
Just
being
present,
here at that time.
Generous. Nice to be amongst.
Okay.
Very pleasant lady she is.
Yes, yes. All right. So in here in those times, it used to be the same, or what are the changes that you have seen?
Well, you see the boxes, usually have the punch box, the duke,
So the
duke box, and you drop the money in, you punch. These now they're on the wall, that's the change.
oh, so they changed from Duke box to now
Pork box.
pork box. Okay.
Poker box to this type. No.
And you played on the Duke box already.
Yeah, you really have the duke box where you punch and play. Now we should give you our own music.
Okay. Okay. All right. So what it is that you like about bartending?
After so many years, we like everything about it. I don't have a problem.
Everything you like, serving the customers,
Yes,
talking
talk
to
them.
people.
Yes, everything.
And any favorite thing that you like?
No, not really. We like everything.
Okay. All right. So how would you describe your customers?
Well, as we see, a mixture of everything. Good, bad, you know. Everybody.
All right.
Yeah. No, no. I'm big one there. This one? Yeah, smaller than this, you know, that's why. This one have enough. They have the smaller one today. Yes, you know.
Yes. So any training experience you have had over the years in bartending?
No, no. When I just started, they didn't have nothing like that. Oh, no, I'm not sure they have that, no.
Okay. All right. So you have a special liquor that people come and order the most.
Well, you know, the white rum as usual.
the rare rum.
Yes, yes. That's
Rare
the main
name.
one, yeah.
Okay. All right. So describe a time you had to solve a problem with an angry customer. You have ever had any angry customer where you have to solve a problem?
Well, all the while, but I don't really remember none right now.
You don't remember any right now?
No.
Okay.
Let me woman here. Can look at that. You take from snow cold days. From Conta, where Clark and Levy. Until them did it grow, all of them kill them go to school. Right now, look how bar I run. And be a young girl in a bar until they're there. And he get more sale than them. So you have to know.
Yeah.
Until there. So then when you have foundation. Yeah, man.
So what is the experience with her all of those years dealing
My
with her?
experience with her all of those years was make me become a man. Because she always tell we growing up. So you have to go to school and take in a lesson. Because the future will be there. And if you don't do that, you're not going to be nobody. And I see it today there. See it there. See how my son. We're there, auntie there. Yeah, man. She's here forever with us, man. Nothing change. I best woman God ever put on earth. So let me tell you, Auntie Dar. Alright, when I hit a scar leg of Auntie Dar,
Yeah.
the police from Spalding left come here. Come eat half dozen egg. Come with somebody have egg in a mandible like Auntie Dar.
Yes.
Alright. I hold a smoky. Alright, Ward Avenue was nothing. Then just come Auntie Dar up Wards Avenue. Cecil Charlton dead and gone. And here Wards Avenue after Miss Dar. Miss Dar is here until now.
Okay. She's good.
So you have to just know, say, you see, real people, it's a lady, real woman. Auntie Dar, you have to come drink rum and burn cigarette. Don't Auntie Dar, Ward Avenue and play a box. From box a cents box and then put in a dollars now.
Oh.
And we are playing for them a
So
cent.
then upgrade the boxes.
So be sure
So-
you long Auntie Dar there.
Okay.
You know, move. If Auntie Dar call you and say, boy, move on yourself, you have to move. And when you're a big man,
Yeah.
if Auntie Dar say, go with the smoking, you have to move along your pocket full of money in your car park because the principal, when you look on it, she'll tell you the right thing.
Yes, yes.
So,
Okay.
Auntie Dar, right now I'm going to drink one next room and Auntie Dar. Ask her, she will tell her, yeah man, this man is not top come here man. Some man is right through man. And the whole line pick them in carry them come here so when them and them go nowhere. Anytime you want
So
to
people
put
can come and leave the children here?
right through, you can't do
Yeah.
anything here. Leave your vehicle, your business paper, your goods, anything at Auntie Dar you come back.
And somebody come and pick it up.
Right away. Auntie Dar not charge you after nothing and it a get attention. Paying attention. Auntie Dar no use camera. I only place a man who do not have camera. Auntie Dar no want to have us. Who like big boy them when you see a man live them have to pull up down Auntie Dar.
Yeah. So you watch over and protect her.
Why you think that would happen? Think about it in the future so we want to become both man and woman.
Alright then. Thanks.
That's what I'm saying.
God, man. They don't say that, they don't know it's that, man.
From in the 80s.
No, wait, stop. Don't make you tell you what you say, just talk. You're not talking.
When me don't talk, I mean, also Mr. is a good lady. You understand, so? That's what it's good, you know?
So that's it?
Yeah, man. That's it, you know. That's it, you know.
Tania, no.
Ask her if she love me. And when me come and want me liquor, me get here, me have money and me don't have no money. Me have get to see her.
Yes. So guys, I do hope that you enjoy this video. Isn't it awesome? Isn't she special? She has been bartending for 47 years. That is a plus. There are more interesting videos coming up, guys, so remember to hit that subscribe button. Right now, thank you for all the love and the support, and thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye. The strong man.
I ginger wine, you know.
Ginger wine.